I have an order to buy this low right here, just a small pullback from this big breakout, thinking that this bar is a bad sell, so that we shouldn't go straight down and that we should go sideways instead. And then I have an order to scale in a dollar lower as well. Okay, I got filled on my first order and my target a dollar higher. And I also have my scale in order a dollar lower. So if we go down a dollar first, I'll get my second entry. So if I get filled on my second order, my target will become my first entry. Okay, I got filled, so now my target is my first entry. I think if we close below the breakout point, I might exit because this looks pretty strong now to the downside. I'm not sure why it didn't fill me when I exited there, but I think I got the price I wanted, but it put a sell limit order when I clicked close position, so not exactly sure what happened there, but I tried to exit after this big breakout bar. I decided to exit. Probably a big loss, $4.28, which on a normal day would be 40 cents. So not a huge deal, but a pretty big loss. And relative to my wins, I just thought that the size of the breakout was big enough, and the sell wasn't great, so I thought we'd at least get a bounce here to go sideways. But the next bar was just extremely strong, closed below the breakout point, so I thought it'd be best to exit and take a loss on it. I have an order to buy a pullback here. We had two legs down and then a pretty strong reversal up. So I think we're going to get a second leg up from this strong move. Okay, I'm filled on my first order. Okay, we closed below that pullback bar. So I'm just looking to get out, break even now. Normally I would stay in that, but just the thought of losing another trade after this big loss earlier in the day made me hesitate. It looks like it's going up to my target now, but I guess it sunk in that if I lose this one after scaling in, it'd probably be an $8 loss. So I just thought if it didn't reverse up on that next bar right away, then I just get out break even. So still $4.25 down on the day, and I think this still should have a second leg up, whether it happens right now or we get two legs down and then a second leg up. I thought that was likely, but just this was a sign of weakness in my opinion, that it closed below that pullback bar. It's more bearish than if it had a big tail on the bottom. So if it wasn't looking exactly like I wanted it to, especially after a loss earlier today, I thought I'd rather just get out break even and then reevaluate the situation.